I'm just a bit sweaty and heavy, but I don't care, man. I need my cameras, I need everything to capture this moment. Really freaking happy to be here, man. It's such a cool experience. Oh my word. So the plan for the day is I'm heading out to Hogsback. Hogsback is apparently really beautiful. My first time I'm going out there. I'm really looking forward to it. I think it's gonna be an awesome day. I'll spend a few hours there. What's up, guys? So I just arrived in Hogsback. I'm just at the top of Hogsback, and I'm just trying to navigate my way around. I just stopped here at Hogsback Adventures. They do quite a few things here. Check stuff like abseiling, archery, there's bike rental, some hikes, horse riding, etc. For me, I want to try and head out to some of the waterfalls, some of the coolest spots, some of the viewpoints. That's what my plan is. So I've got a map. I just picked up a map. I'm gonna shoot through to one of the waterfalls. Apparently it's really cool out there. It's called Madonna and Child. So yeah, let's head through. It's I think it's like 4 k's into this. Should be cool. Let's do it. So I just arrived at the Madonna and Child Falls. I think it's like 460 meters down this trail. This should be really cool. Everybody's in shorts and hiking gear, and I'm in this big freaking jacket and boots and stuff, and it's freaking hot in this place. Just stairs for days, but it's really cool. I think there's should be like really awesome hiking trails here. It's actually really cool. Check this out. Just one thing though, I wouldn't do it the way I'm doing it with riding boots. These boots are really difficult to walk in, so just it's a bit difficult to balance myself, but anyway, we're here now, we're doing it. Woo! How's these stairs? Freaking stairs for days. Actually so cool, man. Boots though. So cool. Only thing is, like, I've got all my bike gear on, got my camera around my freaking neck, I've got my boots on, so I'm just a bit sweaty and heavy, but I don't care, man. I need my cameras, I need everything to capture this moment. really freaking happy to be here, man. It's such a cool experience. Oh my word. Yeah guys, so this is the Madonna and Child Falls. Really amazing. So beautiful. It's just so cool to be here. They've got some abseiling as well. Check these guys going up the rocks here. They've got these ropes, so you can even freaking do abseiling all the way up these rocks. So much activity to do out here in Hogsback. Really beautiful. Yeah man, so the name Madonna and Child, apparently it originates from this outcrop of this rock formation on the outside of the waterfall. Guys, so okay, cool. So I just needed to catch my breath. Going down was awesome. Coming back up was a bit challenging, but just purely because of all the bike gear and yeah, I was just struggling to carry all the gear on me. I was just feeling a bit heavy. But anyway, really cool place. The plan from here, I'm gonna head back up. There's a place called The Edge. Apparently there's like a sick view from there. Let's go check that out. So let me gear back up and let's hit the road. Cool. Yeah guys, so just got here to The Edge. I just want to take this jacket off. This is the inner of this jacket, the lining on the inside. It's got this thermal lining, which was cool at the coast because it was quite cool at the coast. It was a bit cold at the coast, but moving inland now, it's like freaking summer again. So I've just been sweating, and I just want to take this. Freaking liner out. Okay, cool. So there's no entry fee, which is quite cool. Usually you have to pay for freaking everything these days, so that's a win. Just walking down to the view site. Yeah, so just a reminder guys, we're out in Hogsback. This site is called The Edge. I'm not sure why, but I'm sure it's obviously because of, I'm sure there's a cool view from the edge. Yeah, I'm not sure. Where do we go? Down here? Up there? I don't know where the hell is this view site. So I'm still trying to find the view site. Need a freaking GPS to find it. But anyway, while we're going, there seems to be a quite cool maze here for families. Kids seem to love it. Yeah man, Hogsback. But for me, I need views. I need views for days. Yeah, so I couldn't find this freaking place, man. This viewpoint was a bit tricky to find. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Woo! Look at that. What? Guys, welcome to The Edge.